I think we are live. I'll share it, this one also. Fine, thank you for letting me know. So yes, so second class, I mean, like we installed Android Studio and it went like that. We have learned text and we learned last class we learned text field, image also. I think we learned. We will revise it one more time. And last class I have given you guys to do a simple login screen. Have you all completed? So if anyone completed, you can share your screen and show me the output. Super, super. Who want to share your screen first? You can, yeah. Okay, okay. Anybody one by one. I will just give you the permission. Now you can. So button is not a problem because I didn't teach you that. I asked you guys to try that. Even if you didn't do it, no problem. Yes, I think Samruddhi, you want to start sharing because you are the one said first in the chat. Yes, good job. Go ahead. I can see your screen. Oh, wow. Good, good, very good. Good job. Show me your code once again. I mean, one more thing I wanted to say you guys is, okay, I will do the needful. Let me get the control. I will get the control. Okay. So guys, all of you listen. Okay. So do not keep your screen like this. Okay. Always keep your screen clean. It will be more interesting for you to work more. The thing is, minimize the project explorer. Minimize this one. We don't want it. And then you keep this one like this as minimum as possible. Okay. And something is there at the top. You need to click escape. I think you applied some theme or what? I don't know. Looking like different color is there. It's okay. No problem. Cool. I think you changed the theme. Let me see. So good job, Samriti. I think you don't have a mic, I guess. Oh, I don't know whether it's looking different. Little bit cool. Fine. So good job. So what I think is like this is your code, right? This is the output. Okay. Let me see your code. You have a column. Superb. Inside that you have space evenly. You have given space evenly. Let me check. Dot. Uh-huh. I think browser is open, I guess. Can you come back to Android Studio? Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. Let's run and see now. I'm trying to do some fine tunings on your code. You see, this is better, right? Yes, it is better. Okay, center. This is fine. And you put max gray. Image is fine. Text is fine. You put max size. Okay, this is fine. Okay, fine. So here after I'm going to teach to how to keep it here. It is in center, right? So I'm going to teach you how to keep it here. And even at the top, we can do a lot of things. Let me check what happens. I mean, let's do this one and see. Top. I hope you're following what I'm doing. So these are some things you can do. Okay, now I can keep it in center. So a little bit better, a lot of things. I'm just trying to do as minimum as possible inside what I taught you. So
Bhaskar,
yeah,
take the Bhaskar.
who is talking?
और पुराने वाले हैं? पुराने वाले आज से कौन थे? 12 को
Mute
हो गए ना?
You're not talking. Okay, I will mute you. Okay, where I was. So I needed to teach you the padding and alignment and all. Okay. Find them. I'm not able to control your screen. Can you change to? Okay. Yes, I can connect now. You can even keep it at top or center. Oh. Button and clicks also. Super. Fine. I'll do one thing. Top and this one center. Okay, this should be looking good. And I'm going to teach you how to keep the text this side and all. This is a little bit better, right? Otherwise, you can keep it at extreme center. Everything at center. Fine then. So is there anything else you have done? Samruti, that's it, right? Okay, cool. Fine, this is fantastic.
Sir, I tried the buttons, but it is not visible on my screen.
Okay, that is
Sir, this,
okay. Okay. Because you have not given anything to this row. Nothing, no property for the row. And also, let's check. Column is starting here and ending here. Okay, text field is there. So this issue started now, or it is already there? Even
sorry,
before,
sir.
this issue is just now started, or it is already there before I touch your code?
Sir, it was there already.
Already was there. Okay, then we will find out. Oh my God, you have a function. Why you have a function?
Sir, I tried to get it from Google. You asked us to keep 2 buttons, so you didn't teach it yesterday. So I tried to learn it.
Okay, that is fine. But we no need to have a function for this. Okay, cool.
Okay.
I think this should be working now. And we have one extra. That's it. Okay, let's see. It should be working now.
Yes, sir, it's there.
Okay, you just added a function. Function is not needed for this one. That's it. Okay, good job.
Okay, sir.
Samruti, good job. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up. Yeah. Okay, so who want to share next?
You can share, sir.
I think Aman. Aman, go ahead. I'm going in the order in chat. You can stop sharing, Samruti. Thank you. Good job. Yes, go ahead, Aman. Are you ready? Is my video clear?
But I don't know where to say.
Wait a minute. Okay. There is an option to share. Check your Zoom.
Okay, sir.
My video clear or it's blurred, guys? Is it clear or blurred? My video.
Sir, my voice is visible. Oh, audible.
Yeah, your screen is visible. Your screen. So,
Okay,
guys, my
sir.
video is blurred or it's clear?
It's clear, sir.
Very clear, right? Okay,
Sir,
fine.
this,
Hey, very good. So, did you copy paste the code from internet or you typed it?
no, sir. I use constant layout. I am very familiar with that, so I use that.
Oh, you used constraint layout. Okay, let me see your code. Let me get the control first. Okay, I have the control.
Also, sir, I implemented click listener also, sir.
Wait a minute. Your voice is not clear.
Sir, click listener, button click. I also added.
Okay, okay, okay. You have login UI. You have a constraint layout. You have an icon, text. You have full size, padding. Okay, did you type the code or you got it from internet?
Type, sir. I typed all code.
You typed. Already you know
Yes.
all this?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Good. Aman. Where did you learn Jetpack Compose? Internet.
Sir, from official website.
Okay. I think you must be having a preview. This is preview. Did you use this preview?
What's that?
Did you use this preview? This is not output. What you are seeing on the screen is a preview.
Sir, output is the below,
Okay,
sir.
okay. I think you are not able to hear me and I am not able to hear you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. You did good job. Very good. Very well. Okay. So this is called preview. You see, this is preview. This is
Sir,
not output.
output is
You
below,
can.
sir.
I
Outside the
know,
screen.
man. I know.
Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. Fine. Good job. Very good. Okay. And super. Keep it up. Thank you for sharing, Aman. Who want to share next? So guys, meanwhile, you can also let me know if you have any doubt. Put it in the chat window. Wasik, good job. I have done. I think, let me check it's live or not. Yes, it's live. So guys, who want to share next? I think after Raman, Archit, you want to share? Archit, Aditya,
Yes, sir. I'll share.
you want to share? Go ahead.
Is my screen visible?
Go ahead.
So I've shared, sir.
Just a minute. Let me check the live or not. Yes, it's live. It's live, but 27 seconds delay. No problem. Fine. Okay, let me get the control of the screen. Okay, I have the control. And
So I guess you have to run the code again.
no problem. I will run it in my brain. You have a column. Okay. Inside that, you have 4 rows. Okay. First row, you have a text username. Second row, you have a weighted text. I mean, text field. Okay. Simple and effective. You didn't do the button, right? No
No, sir, I
problem.
was trying to implement, but the button was not showing. So
No problem. I'm going to do it for you. It's very simple. If you think it is simple, then it is simple. If you think it is difficult, then it is difficult. Okay, so it's very simple. No big deal. So I'm going to type BU. Okay, capital B, small U, T, button. That's it. Okay. So on click, I'm doing nothing, and the name of the button I'm going to. So all of you can listen. I think button I'm teaching here. Sorry. Next. So the button name, sign in, and another button, sign up. Did you get it? Oh. Did you get it?
yes, sir.
Archit. Okay, super. Okay, that's it. Run and see the output. Okay, I will run it. Okay, who is ready to share next? Okay, you got it.
Yes, sir.
Fine then. Thank you, Archit.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Who want to share next? Yeah, Nanda. Go ahead if you are ready. Whoever is ready. Like I think Nanda said you want to share, right? Go ahead. If you want to share next, put it in the chat window, guys. Yeah, you have an image matching the background. Good job. Good. Very good. Okay, Aditya, take your time. Super. I will see the code. Let me get the control. Okay. The column. You have a column inside that. You put everything in the column itself. Don't using row. Okay, row only for the button. Okay. Okay, all good. So you have pasted the image in the drawable and then used it. Okay, everything is good. All good. Thank you for sharing, Nanda. Any questions? Fine. Thank you for sharing, Nanda. Good job. Share your screen, Tamil. Okay, what is the error? No error. No. Don't. You didn't close the text. You see in the previous line, text is not closed. Now go ahead. Yeah, it should be working now. Second one. Import it now itself. Click on the red bulb. Okay, it's not coming now. Go ahead. You click on the click on the remember. Yes, it's not coming. Wait for a few seconds. Yes, no, it's not coming. More action. Click on more action. Fine then, go ahead, type it. Fully type it and then only it will come. Mutable state of import. Yeah, now it's coming. Keep going. Import, import, import. Do the same. Okay. See, you got it. Thank you, Tamal. So, who else having any doubt? Anybody is having any doubt? Please let me know. I can help you. So, is there anyone still not installed Android Studio yet? Let me know in the chat. Is there anyone who did not install Android Studio yet? I hope everyone installed Android Studio. Because if you are not installed Android Studio by now, here after what I'm teaching, you cannot understand. It's a long program, right? Like it's going to have 2 months. So you should have Android Studio in order to learn good. Fine then. So is there anyone want to share your screen or show the output, or you have any questions or doubt, anything? Let me know before I go to next step. So I have to set margin for the text. I will do. I am going to teach. Aditya, go ahead. Shamati, I will teach you margins and everything today. Aditya, go ahead.
So I use constraint layout to
No problem. Anything
make
is
the UI
fine.
because I use XML earlier, like when I use Android Studio, so it was just easier to do.
Super. Okay, let me get the code. I mean, anything I can see. We have constraint layout. What is that? VAL is equal to IMG, PSC, line number 50.
Yeah. On Google's Android developer site, they mentioned that you have to create references for constraint layout.
Okay.
So I followed
What?
that, and using that you can do
So
constraint
what it
as,
is,
and then
what it is doing?
I think it just creates references for like each object that you want in the constraint layout. So here the image is constrained as image, and the first column is constrained as USC. The second column, which has the password area, is constrained as PSC, and finally the buttons are in a row, and that is constrained as DUDTF.
Okay, if you are understanding it, then I'm okay. Okay, if you are understanding, if you know what you are doing, then good. Okay, you know, right, what you are doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, great. So my style is making things as simple as possible. Okay, but if you can understand this, very good. Okay, super. Thank you, Aditya. Cool. So who want to share next? Before we go ahead, before I start teaching today's topics, is there anyone want to say anything or any doubt or want to share? Shall I go ahead? Okay, I think I can go ahead. I will open the Android Studio. Oh, it's open already.
Sir, right now I was trying to use modifiers on buttons, but it isn't working. Like it is not showing like throwing any errors, but like I'm trying to change the
Share your
color of
screen.
the button. Oh, yeah.
आपका screen share कीजिए.
See, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, here I'm trying to change the color. Like I was just trying at this because then like, is there any other way to change the color? Or, like this works for everybody.
Yes. For changing the button background, we have something different. Different is
No,
there.
I just
Different
take
things
the because you did it in the column. We did like this now using modifiers and that. I was trying this
Okay,
out.
yeah, that's what today I'm going to teach about the button. Your doubt will be clarified after I teaching today's session. Thank you. Fine, then I'll share my screen. So yes, so guys, so this is what we have seen last class. One image, text, and text field. This is what we have learned last class. Now today we are going to learn button. Okay, let's get started. We have a column that starts here. I think I'm missing something. There is an extra comma is there. So is this the code you used? Someone, I forgot the name. Archit, right? No. Who was trying to change the button background color? Who's that? Okay, whoever it is.
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah. Okay. So I think you should use this code. See, I have declared a button and on click, I have nothing. Okay. Maybe I can type it one more time. You see, I'm
So
adding
we,
one more button. I'm just
so we
typing
can keep
VIT.
on click as nothing. Like it's because by default it's to do with curly
Yeah, yeah.
brackets.
That is fine. That is fine. That is fine. No issue. You mean you want to delete? You mean you want to delete this one?
No, actually by default when we type button, like it comes to do or something.
Yes. 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 Okay. So, and then here on click, see, we are adding the properties of the button, right? First, we have added on click. By default, it is coming. So let's leave the on click. So after that, see the inside on click, we are also giving other properties, right? So I'm saying color. So what is the color? Is equal to, instead of giving the color directly, we have to use button defaults dot button color. So inside this only you have to give the button color. So you can give any color. For example, I'm giving green. So this is how it goes. See, it is very simple. This Jetpack Compose is very simple. The only problem what I find is it's little bit difficult to understand this structure and without a lot of practice, that's what I feel. But once you practice well, it won't be an issue. Sometimes I feel like what's going on, I miss the flow, right? So sign up, that's it. So guys, so this is the basic button, and I think I can share you one site. A lot of simple things are there. Even I'm referencing that only. Jetpackcompose.net. This one. Here you have a lot of examples available with the code, working source code. They have given step by step. Like, even if you go to some other site, they say a lot of blah, blah, blah. They give less code, they talk more. But here they give a lot of codes and they talk less. That's what I like about this site. So this is for button. And you don't need to wait for me to teach you all this, right? Button. This is what we are doing initially, right? I'm teaching you about the basic tools, text field, button. So there are a lot of things, check boxes, rating bar, many more are there, right? So if you have some time, if you have completed the task what I have given, so you can go ahead and learn the other things. Images also, a lot of options available. Maybe I can show you that. You see here I have added this simple button, right? So if you want to have more button, we can teach all these in class. So these and all you have to explore it on your own. Okay, this kind of button you can have everything. You just get the code and use it wherever you want. So the main thing, what is the important in Jetpack Compose is structure, understanding the structure. For example, I will give you a very good example. You see, the color, right? This is button. The button is starting here, and this is starting here. It is ending here. Okay, this button is starting here and ending here. Here you have to use the properties of the button, and here I'm giving the text. So this button act as a parent here. Inside that, I can have multiple text also. That is what this example is saying. So you don't get confused. Simply, whatever the component you have, that starts with a bracket. Okay, inside that you give properties with a comma. You put comma, you keep going. Comma, 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 you just keep going. Whenever you open the bracket, you close it. Whenever you open the curly brace, you close it. So like that, you should follow the structure. If you are missing some single comma, entire thing will get spoiled. So that is the reason you should understand this structure. And also this button I have added outside of this button, where this button ends. So this button I have added outside of where this row ends. So you should be knowing this structure. Otherwise, there is no difficulty in Jetpack Compose. You don't need to learn coding also, because this is like simply reading, right? Coding is also very simple. Okay, so what you can do is, okay, I will do it. So what I'm going to do, okay, this seems like a little bit difficult. Let's do it. Let's try it. It will be confusing to you, but just see it. So this act as a parent. So gradually you will understand. It might be confusing to you why I should have different text and all in a single button and all, right? So if you want to have different color, so one of the main thing is already Android is fully customizable, and it is more customizable now with Jetpack Compose. A lot of things you can do. There is nothing you cannot do in Android right now. Okay, fine. So let's do one more button. It is not like I'm simply getting the code and putting here. That's it. No other way to do. That is Android is open source. We are dependent on internet only. Okay. So here they have even added an image inside the button. So what I'm trying to do here is trying to teach you is everything acts as a parent layout. So for example, inside text also, Okay, I haven't tried that. Let me check. Okay, you don't put it that way. So for the button only, we can have more things inside. Okay, let's have one more example and let's close it. So that's all about button. So another one very important thing to become Android developer is you should know how to get the code, whatever you want, and you should know where to paste that code, how to modify that code, how to paste that code. These are the important things, very important thing. And most importantly, without disturbing your existing code. You see, I deleted something and I have fixed it now. You should know how to fix the error. I think this should be good. So I don't have an image in Randall. Let me see what I have. I have Google. So I recommend you guys to keep your theme in white because in red, in dark theme, you cannot, mostly you don't know where is the error, right? How to change the theme, go to file settings for you in Mac here, appearance. You guys are in Dragula. Most of you are like this. If I'm teaching you like this, difficult for you, right? There, you don't know what is what. So that is why I keep it in light. And also I recommend you all to keep it in light. When as you are a beginner, you should know exactly where is the error. See, now there is the error. In this code, there is the error is there. Even in light also, little bit difficult to see what is the error, right? But in dark, it's very, very difficult. That's it. I fixed it. Okay, let's run it. Control R. So we have a button like this. So nothing more, like basically nothing more to talk about button here. Okay. So you guys try to do the same in your screen and let me know in the chat once you complete it. I can also share the code. I will talk about on click once you complete this one. Let's go step by step. Want the code? Spacing between two buttons. Yes, that's what the next one I'm going to talk about. Padding, margin, many options are there. I'll teach you. You see guys, padding. For example, you can put left, right, top, bottom. Whatever space you want, you can add it. For example, I'm saying top is equal to 20 dot dp. So there is a 20 dp space is added at the top of this image. Okay, Google image. Okay, sorry, this button, this count button. Okay, let's run it. That's it. This answers your question, I guess. You see, added or not? Let's give something bigger. Maybe I'm giving it in the wrong place. Oh, Let me see. Okay. I'm giving to the image. See, I said, maybe I'm giving to the wrong place, right? I have given it in the image. I should be giving here, right? Modifier. All means all the places. All the 4 places, you will see a space is added. You see, it's added. So you should be very careful about these things. See, anybody can make mistakes. So I have done this mistake, right? So until you practice, we all make mistakes. Okay. So you see some 80 VP spaces added on the places. For example, I can do only at the top. It's going to have only at the top. Is it top? Fine, guys. Any other questions? Do the same in your screen and let me know. I'll be waiting. So I'm waiting for your update, all of you. Share your screen, Harish. Because no, you made some mistake in the line number 54. In the 54, you should do modifier equal to. You missed that. Modifier equal to modifier dot padding. Some small m. Yes, that's it. You see, I have a compiler in my eyes. Just kidding. So done. Ariane's good done. Good job. So let me know, guys, once you complete.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Yeah. So is there more like in this? Is there more about the orientation or like how we align the like layouts with relative to each other? Like
Yes,
any
yes,
new
yes. I'm
basics of
going to teach you
XML?
that.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to teach you that. As of now, we are done only what is needed for button.
Okay.
And also just after that doubt, so I answered only for that one. We will go step by step, one by one. Lot to more. Lot to learn more here. अंकित share your screen. आपका स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिए. हमें हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा मालूम है. Because okay, I will also teach you guys how to find the error. Okay, I think it changed here a little bit. Let me check. So you see something called logcat at the bottom, right? Everyone, logcat. Okay, you just have to click the logcat. System slow or internet slow. Here it will tell you what is the problem. Red color lines. Okay, everyone. So some blue color class name will be there. That is the place you have the error. You see blue color class name is there. When you click it, it will take you to the place where you have the error. That means inside the button only you have the error. Okay. And if you go to the first letter, I mean first line, there you can see what is the problem. Only saying something. Only vector variables and okay, it says something about maybe you have unsupported image format. Okay, you can get some clue by using that. You have Google. Okay, where is the Google? Google is not present in the drawable. I cannot see Google. Where you have the Google image? That is the problem. Okay, thank you. Anything else? Anybody having any doubt? And I cannot, I mean, I can't see many people answered done. Only 2 people done. What about others? Not following me, not following the session. Completed? How many of you completed button? Button will take only 5 minutes maximum. Okay, good. Thank you for the responses. Now only you guys are good, 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 good. Very good. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys some basics of Kotlin. This is very, very, very important. Without this, you cannot develop this Jetpack Compose. Okay, are you guys ready? Basics of Kotlin. You know, if I have taught you this Kotlin basic in the beginning, you might have lost interest. Many of you lost interest. So that's why I did, because coding will be boring, right? So this UI and all is interesting. So now you guys entered Android app. You are inside app development. You have seen the output. You have tasted the app development, like how interesting it is. So now I can go ahead and teach you the basics of Kotlin, and we are not going to see a lot of Kotlin. Whatever is needed as of now to get started, that's what we are going to learn. So are you guys ready? Type ready in the chat window. And I want to know how many of you are listening. Super. Very good. Very good. I appreciate you guys. More than 50 people responded. Good. So I like about this batch is you guys are very good in responding. So keep it up. Fine then. So what I'm going to do is, okay, I will also teach you here itself. Fine. See, in Java, how the structure of method is different from here Kotlin. See, the structure of method in Java is different from, I mean, here in Kotlin is different. Okay, function. There we call it method. Here we call it function. I'll tell you the structure of a function in Kotlin. Okay, simply type fun. Fun means function and some name. Add, and even I forgot. I guess this is it. Okay. So this is the structure of the function here in Kotlin. I think this is same in Java also, right? Here, how you receive the parameter is different. For example, a colon string. Okay, this is correct. So here in Java we put string and then space a, right? This is variable name. This is variable name. This is data type. Okay. Here we, reciprocally we put first we put the variable and then put the data type. I hope this is clear. I'm going step by step. I'm making you a complex thing into a very, very simple thing. Okay. And then the return type, how we put in Java, we put like this, return something we put right. But here we don't put the return like this. We put here colon, even I forgot. What is the return type? It's going to be integer. Int. Okay, that works. Nope. Keep singing, keep singing. Now, who is that? Sudhanshu Chauhan. You have a very good future in singing, I guess. You sing when I give some time to sing, okay? Not now. I will give you some time to sing in class. It's okay. And coming back here. So this is how guys we give. This is written type. So here we are saying this function is going to, okay, I am missing something. What am I missing? String, something missing. Oh, we say we are going to return string, right? So we are not returning anything. Maybe that is the reason. Let's check. Yeah, got it. Yep, we put the string return type before, right here. So, but in Kotlin, we put it here. So, guys, if you understand this, that's it. You understood 50% of Kotlin. If you know Java and if you are worrying about Kotlin, then that's it. This will make you like 50% of Kotlin developer. Okay, I will type the structure one more time. Fun, some function name, and then some variable name, colon, and this is going to be the return type. What we have, let's say string, and here you put the return type. Bracket. Return something. That's it. This is how it will be. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, for inheritance, we use extends, right? Here we don't do extends, just put column. Okay, and what else? We don't use semicolon. Every place we put semicolon, right? Semicolon, 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 right? In Java, we don't have semicolon here. And another one important point is null. We put this one dot question mark and all. I will talk about that later. It's a little complex to understand. As of now, this is enough. Okay. 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 So this method will not be executed because I have not called this function from the main method. If you want to call, we create object in Java, right? Here, you no need to create a object. Simply call them. And that's it. Simple. No need to create object. So that's why I said this Kotlin is an advanced form of Java. And if I'm running it, so this is going to print. Okay, tell me. So tell me in the chat. If I'm running it, what will be the output of this method? Quickly, chat, rapid fire. What will be the output? Very good. I thought you guys will say hi. Very good, very good. Appreciate you guys are listening well. Very good. I didn't expect this. No one said hi. Maybe because I said it earlier itself, I could have waited a little. But I understand. Like if you are saying someone is saying blankings, people know. Very good. I appreciate you guys. I will give you emoji, clap emoji for all of you. Oh my god, I forgot where to get it. It is here. Yes. Okay. Good job. So yes. So it is going to come here and it will be empty string, right? So it will be returning empty here and it's going to be empty. Very good. Fantastic. For example, if I'm returning A, so now the output is going to be high. Okay, it is coming here, returning back, and we are printing it. Very good. Keep it, super. Keep it up. So this is the basics of Kotlin. This is enough for you guys as of now, I guess. So what I'm going to do is, shall we do a simple calculator to understand the basics of Kotlin? Shall we do a simple calculator? Android application, simple calculator and application using this Jetpack Compose Kotlin. Shall we do? Otherwise, you want to do? I will give you idea about, I will tell you everything orally, what you need to do and you can do. Okay, let's do it. Let's see who is committing it first, because this is full and full practical. Okay, no theory and all. If you do a lot of practice, how much practice you are putting and how much good you will become, and that much good Android developer you will become. I'm going to share the whiteboard. Oh. Mm. Okay, I hope everybody can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Whiteboard. Super. So you guys are going to do one simple Android application. Very simple. Okay, that is going to have two edit text. One,
So your audio is not clear.
is it only for one person or everyone?
It's clear for me.
Clear for me, sir.
Yes, it should be okay. You can check your speaker or people. Okay, and you are going to have two edit text and every time I have to click it. Okay. You are going to have two buttons and then one text field. Actually, two text field. You are going to have two text field, 1 and 2, and okay. I will have two more buttons. And sub div. So guys, yes. So you are going to have two text field, 4 buttons and one text. Okay. For example, I'm going to enter 6 here and 5 here. When I click add, it should display 11 here. When I click sub, it should display 1 here. When I click div, what is 6 divided by 5? I'm very bad in math. 0.1.2. Am I correct? 1.2. Whatever it is, it doesn't mind.
Sir, I can't see what you're writing below the second box.
You just scroll it. It's a movable. You can spin,
Okay,
zoom, and
okay.
everything you can do. Okay, fine. So where I leave it? Yes. So if I click divide and if I click multiply, it should display 30. So this simple, this is the expected application. I will teach you I will tell you the logic also, how you need to do. I hope all of you are listening. First, you have to create a new project, create two text field. Below that, you can you can put everything inside a column. Point number 1. Have one column. Inside that, have one text field 1 and 2. Below that, have one row. Inside that row, have these two buttons. Another row, have these two buttons. So again, outside, put one text. This is done. Okay, I need to teach you one more thing to do this. How to get the value from text field. I need to teach you that. I have already teach you. You should know how to use that variable. Okay, I will teach you that. Maybe I can do in my screen this time. Next time, next task you can do on your own. So otherwise, you guys do it as much you can. Dude, is it visible to all? It's the only problem to Taj, or
Yes, sir. Visual.
Visible, sir.
you can see visible. Okay, fine. Great. Thank you for the response. Yes. So guys, do the UI first. I will be helping you on the functionality part. Do the UI first. Go ahead. Start doing the UI. Start now. Start the UI. Complete the UI, and I'll be helping you with the functionality. Do it. So once you started, chat window, type chat started. Started in the chat window if you have started. Yes, Ajit, of course, you have to get a new project and do not disturb the existing code. Keep that as your reference. Create a new project. Every time whenever I give a task, create a new project. Do not disturb your existing code. Sure, of course. With the share your screen. I need to stop sharing, right? Done. Share your screen. Okay, okay, click on the error. Yeah, click on the error. Import. Click import. Why you guys are not able to do this? Again, do it again and again. Oh, it's not getting imported. Okay, try the mutable state of. Okay, I will get the control. I'm not able to get the control. Why? Because you shared only Android Studio, I guess. Are you connected from browser or? Browser. That's why I'm not able to. So delete the last bracket and add it again. 38 line. Curly brace. Line number 38. Delete and add it again. The last one. Yeah, delete and add again. Okay. Okay. Do you copy paste the code? Did you copy paste the code or did you type it? Right. Okay, click on. Oh, okay. I think I found out. See, the text field should come outside. Cut that line. 27. Cut it. Cut that line. Cut and paste it here. Yes. Okay. And again, now try click on the error. Yeah, do that. Yes, it's working. Here, delete the, you have double equal is there. Equal is 2 times you added. Delete the one showing red color, right? Red color, delete that one. Yeah, delete that. On val change, delete that. Yes, that one. Delete that. Yes, delete. Okay. And yeah. See, you have declared variable as ABC and now you are trying only A. Change this one or that one. Change the A to ABC. Otherwise, nah, that one to A. Okay, cool. Now you know how to solve this one. Good. Good job. And yes, that one. Very good. Good job. Done it. You have done it. You are welcome.
I
So
got the
anyone come?
basic
Okay,
AI.
Harsh. Come again.
The basic AI. I'm done with the basic AI.
Harsh is talking, right? No, Ayush. Okay, done. Share your screen. Share your screen. Harsh also completed. Okay, someone whoever completed, share your screen. Very good. Hey, the UI is looking good. What you are going to do is copy the whole code and share it to me in the chat. I will add it in mine. Wow, intelligent. And you need to have a text, not text field at the end. I will change it in my screen. Okay, sharp breeze. Anything is fine. Yeah, you can share in WhatsApp. It will be useful for others also. Share it in the WhatsApp. That means I need to open WhatsApp in the system. Oh, it's open already. Fine. Okay, we got it. Hey, wow. Who is that? Sabris. Good job. That means you can share your code, then I will import this one. Share it in the chat. WhatsApp. Okay, you share it. I will also do it on my screen. Did I share my screen or not? Okay, here you go. Thank you for sharing the code. Control plus shift plus backslash is for commenting. My set content view, I'm commenting. First of all, let me add first code and we implement the functionality. See, I just simply added your code, first code from the WhatsApp. Let's run it and see the output first. So everyone, so this is the output we have. Okay, so I'm going to implement. This is supposed to be a text. I will change it. So that means no value change, nothing. Okay, I'll add it one more time. Text and text is going to be nothing, simply nothing. Let's say result here. Okay, super. Let's run it again. And now, fine then. So when I click this button, let's say I'm typing 6, I'm typing 600, 5 here. When I click this button, it should display 11 here. Okay. So, let me teach you the what are the things we need to do. I need to declare one more variable. Okay. Let me try it. Yeah. Let's say result by remember mutable data. Let's say 1. So initially I have created a variable called res with the default value 1. And when I click this button, this is multiplication button, right? So the value text1 and text2 is the numbers what user entered. So I'm going to say res equals text1 plus, it's a multiplication, right? Text2. Let's see how to do multiplication. Okay. Let's see. Okay, you created different functions outside. That is also fine. The test output is going to be res. Okay, I just need to figure out how to do the multiplication. Give me a moment, guys. So anybody figured out already? I'm just trying to get, maybe it's a small issue, I guess. Let me check the code one more time. Text one. Okay, because res is integer, text one is a string. That's the problem. Okay. Buddy, you need to declare this not string. It's supposed to be a number. Typecasting I need to do. We need to do the typecasting. Okay. Okay, not here. Let's do it at the bottom. Okay, so here I need to change this type of text one to integer. How can I do it? Dot to int. Okay, we got it. I got it. To dot to int. That's it. I haven't used the internet like if you spend some time thinking the logic, so we can able to figure out. Let me see if this is working. This button is working. So RES is going to be okay. Let's see if this works. I think all of you got it, right? 6,5 multiplication. It's working. We got it. So guys, any doubt? I hope Harsh, you also understand, right? Everyone, you got it? So let me tell you what I did. So the UI is same. What I did is, see, this is what we are getting, right? So when I click the button, whatever we are typing in the text field 1 is going to the this variable. It will be saved to the this variable, and this empty colon is the default value. Okay, and I'm declaring another one variable, integer variable with just 1. And when I click the multiplication button, I'm simply doing RES equal to text1 multiplies text2. This is a string variable. That's why I'm converting to string, means it will convert that to string. Finally, the value is saved to RES. So automatically RES is updated in the text. Is it clear? Chat window. Is it clear, guys? Yes.
So we have
I have-
declared RES somewhere as variable or something.
I declared it at the top, outside of column, globally.
Okay.
Superb. I think I can see a lot of provide this code chat box. I can share it in our group. This is for declaring the variable. And this is the actual logic. Very simple. So for the next thing, everything is same. I'm going to change this one. This I'm going to change it to plus a minus a, like that. For example, addition, right? Simply change this to plus. I hope this simple application must be giving you lots of insight about Android Studio, Android app development, and most importantly, Kotlin. This is subtract. Okay. Fraction. What else we have? Division. Even division might be something different. Nothing different. Same. Okay. So you can do the same in your screen. Everyone. We got it. So I'm doing some 10 and 5. If I click addition, 15. Subtraction, 5. Multiplication, 50. Division, 2. Everything is working. It's a simple calculator. You can have a logo. You can do the designing and all, decorations and all. You can do everything. So this is the functionality, simple functionality. Actually, this same we can do in a more advanced way also, more simpler way also. But this is a raw layman term I teach you, everyone. I think if you listened like from the beginning to end, if you have listened, definitely you can understand. Even third standard kid can understand what I just taught you. So I don't have any doubt. Like if you listened it, definitely you understand it. Fine then. So guys, type in the chat window all clear. So far all clear. Type all clear. If you don't have any questions, if you have understood up to this far, type all clear. Okay. Very good. Lot of all clear is coming. Superb. So no doubt also. Great. If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now. And yeah, very good. So how is the session going, guys? Is it understandable, fast, or how is it going? If anything needs to be improved, let me know now itself so that I can upgrade. How is it going, class, our session? You guys are learning good? Perfect. Archit. Smooth. Amardeep. Good. Okay. Yeah, we share your screen. Did you check the log cat, Vishesh? Now your friends are going to help you. See the first line. You see then something is there, right? Red color, log cat. See the first line. Open the first line in this. Below. So, no man. Someone help him. I'm asking you to see the log cat. First line of the log cat. Unable to instantiate activity. Come to this side. Did not find. Go ahead. Next part. Okay. Okay. So minimize the log cat and let me see the code. Okay. Scroll down. Everything seems to be okay. Delete the last bracket and add again. That's not the last. It's okay. It is still working. Fine. Just restart your Android Studio because coding looks fine. File, click file. File. Maybe some build issue. Okay, just restart your Android Studio. This should be working because coding looks fine to me. Click file, buddy. File, Android Studio file, not run. Someone help him. Hindi mein bolo for him. File close. I mean, you can even select file, restart. Invalid cache. That is the scroll down. I mean, come down. Invalid cache. Yeah, below that. Even one step below. Yes. And select both. And also you are using gold version. Update your Android Studio. Okay, that should be working these days. Thank you. And that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave for the day. Thank you for joining, and thank you for being good students. See you guys tomorrow.
Excuse me, sir. So two int
Yeah.
is not working. When I
Two
type
in
dot,
should be working. Check. This is small issue. You can solve it.
actually,
Thank
it
you,
suggests
guys.
me
Archie.
two in two string. Like it's suggesting me
Share
let's
your screen.
convert it.
Share your screen. Share कीजिए. Thank you, guys. I can see the chat. Prem, Tausik, Ayushman, Gunam, Nika. Where is the? Okay. Delete the dot. Add again dot. Okay. Go to the declaration. Go to the top. Thank you, guys. I can see the chat. Declaration of text one. Where is it? Here it is, right? Text one. Change the variable name. Not here. There, yeah. Come down. Thank you, Sahil and everyone.
Right, first was string.
Okay. Try for text 2. Try text 2. Text 2 dot.
Same, sir.
Mm,
Does this mean
yeah.
that this text is already in integer format or something?
Okay, try to have it in the new line. Click before R. Click the cursor before same line. RES, right? Before R.
Yeah.
Before
Okay.
R. Click enter. And try now. Okay. We check. Okay. Thank you everyone. You can see the chat.
Sir, we haven't added that text field value inside the mutable state of.
Okay.
So inside the mutable state of, we just added 2 quotations. and
Oh,
not
yes.
text field.
Who is talking? Who said it?
So Samriddhi.
Samriddhi. Okay, thank you. Good job, Samriddhi. You see the line number 50, buddy. Have only text field. Sorry, just have double quotation. That's it. Don't have text field value and all. Just have double quotation. Delete the text field value. Just have double quotation. Thank you, Samriddhi. Good job. Do the same for another one also. Yeah. Good job. Come to line number 61. Delete and add again. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good job, Samriddhi.
Thank you, Samriddhi.
Fine then.
Sir, I have one doubt. Like
Go ahead.
you said in the text, we have to keep value as 1 by default.
Mhm.
So how can we keep it empty?
That's a good question. How can we keep it empty?
Because if we add quotation, like if we keep it null, then it says that it is a string.
Mhm.
So it gives an error.
Even I don't know as of now. We can Google and we can find the answer. You want me to Google? You can Google. You find out and let me know tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
I haven't tried that, but it's not a big deal. We can get it from Google the answer. Okay. I'm glad that you asked me this. Okay,
Sir,
somebody. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
sir, I try to run the application, but every
Hmm.
time I run it, it opens my earlier existing project of first class. Can I share the screen?
Share, yeah, share. Divyansh, Shama.
And sir, how to import this? Like how to import this application?
I'll tell you.
Sir, first of all, how do I change the value for me to display the output in the text field of this result bar?
So delete the. Okay, I will share my code. Okay, you can refer that. I'll share my code. That should because that will be helping you. I'll share my code. Okay, you follow my code. I'll share it.
Okay, fine. So every time I run this code, right, like if I just display it with something and I try it, it runs my earlier existing project.
No problem. You can refer my code. You are missing text. You have added text field. Use the text,
Yeah, I added a text field. That's what.
not text field. You should have text.
Just a text. I should only have text. But
Yes.
what if you
Yes, yes.
do? Can we make some changes for it to be added in the text field?
Yeah, we can. You can. So
Like
what you have to do is instead of VINS, you have to put result, RES.
Since so but the result is declared as a global variable, right, in the first state. So again, changing, putting the value of result here.
No, just put that in the line number 111. Put it
Okay.
in that 111. Delete the AN. That's it. And change in 112 also. That's it. Wait. Why you want to show on the text field?
I don't know, maybe.
No, not changing here.
Sir, I don't know, for dynamicity, I guess. Instead of just showing a random text output, showing it in text field may be a bit more aesthetically designed. I can show it in text also, that is fine. But if you can provide it, if you can have a separate text field for answer, that would be a bit more designable, right?
I'll get the control. Okay. Control group, that is mag and okay, this is fine. So what you want to show here in the text field?
Basically, I want the
You
answer.
want to show the result. You
Yeah,
want to
I
show
want
the
to-
result.
Yes. Like on value change, should the answer just be replaced by the result?
No problem. We can get the code for setting value on text field. Jetpack compose. I'm searching the code. Dot value. RES dot you got it. Okay. Okay, let's see if it is okay.
You can try that.
You did not complete the code or what?
Yeah, the code is completed. I didn't complete.
Okay, let's run and see the output. Okay. It's crashing. Why you have the space?
Oh, no, that is just text for division, showing division.
Oh, okay.
Division.
Correct. That was the issue, I think. Unless there is space. That's the issue, I guess. Run it again. No. Okay.
Okay.
See you guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.